here in the shaft. It's leading to a bunker. This was very interesting. We did not expect this. So, I just kind of jumped into the territory and found the shaft and went inside. Hopefully the door is going to be open. Oh shit. What? I want to check it out. Maybe it leads to the factory. The ventilation room. Pretty modern vents. You can hear like a TV. Somebody's watching TV up there. So that's the factory above us. It's still working. Oh, this has a bunch of stuff in it. Beautiful. Wow, an Apple fridge. Yes, this needs to be kept cold. What do you think, it's working? Nah, I'm not gonna try. I'm just filled with shelves. That's the door I tried. Oh, let's see if the ventilation works. Yeah, I guess it does. I guess it does. Well, this is a quiet and nicely preserved bunker. Not much to it. That kind is mainly for storage. All the original equipment is gone. The thing is, we were trying to get into the not working factory first, but along the way, very sneaky, we just stumbled on this hatch. So we ended up here. Right, can I get out now? And go to the factory. Good enough. I gotta let my friend in. Shit, this looks secured. There's a sensor there, but I don't think it works. Okay, so I made it inside. There's electricity, and I think those things that I passed are batteries for the solar panels on the roof. I have no idea where a pencil is. I said I would check out the roof, and he would go around, so maybe he found another way in. But I'll explore this floor and then start going down. Holy shit. Damn, boy. New old machine. Oh, it's an old scanner. A new old scanner. Tesla. Oh, no way, Maniac Cop 2 poster. Wow. Legendary sequel. And is that the Roy? I have no idea what these movies are. Cool poster though. How did you get in?
The top window, but there is like another big holes. Like.
Yeah. But you went through the roof, right?
Yes.
Okay. Truly a mess. We're gonna go down to the first floors. He said he came from there. No sensors or anything, more junk. Excited to see it. I can't identify these items. It's like generated shit. I can see that they're objects, that they're tangible objects, but I just cannot identify them. God damn.
It was caught by one camera.
There's a camera?
Yes, down there with night vision on the bottom floor.
And you were seen?
Yes, you weren't down?
No. Shit.
I don't think it will see you.
Oh, okay, turn off the light though. The camera didn't see you. I thought the camera saw you. Holy shit. Wow. That looks cool. Yeah, so this factor is the definition of semi-abandoned. Okay, we're gonna go back in, explore the remaining floors. It's interesting they just left all the junk to rot. Usually it's taken out, but maybe they're not planning to demolish it yet. Scanners. So that's what they were assembling here. These machines. That's a cool screwdriver. Some lenses. Is that anything? Does that do anything? Maybe it zooms in. Ah, melee weapon. Nice. I found a weapon. Double equipped.
Why it's wooden?
This room is just rotting. Okay, give me something. An item. Thank you. Now give me something to outweigh it. No, that doesn't work. Perfect. Cola? No, it's Cofola.
It's a Slovakian Coca-Cola, it's Cofola, but this is not looking like that.
Oh really? It doesn't look like that?
No, it's black. It's like Coca-Cola.
Holy shit, look at this. Looks beautiful. I think I created a new item. The blue torch. There is so much porn. Holy shit. Okay, that's enough.
Isn't that fun what they have?
A plant. Lenses. So, you want to go into the bunkers?
Yes. Oh, dude, what the fuck?
Is that it?
I almost died.
It's a cat.
I thought it was some dog food.
That's a big cat though, holy shit. Okay, time to exit. Okay, that's all the accessible parts of the factory. Now we're going to try to navigate this territory as least suspicious as we can and get to the other bunkers. Hopefully they're open. Okay, another bunker. Oh shit. What? Boop. Boop. Never seen the full outfit on somebody.
Someone put this there. That's the chemical suit.
This was a cinema or some shit. Yeah, there's the projector right there. It's working. What? Okay, this is a first. The mannequins are sick, but the projector works. I don't think we can get it to run, but just the thing spitting up and stuff is so cool.
Like if you turn this light on.
That's sick.
Maybe.
1958. You can actually see some of the footage. It's a whole movie in here. With the homies. Never seen mannequins before in bunker. That's nice. Projectors working too, electricity, bunch of furniture. I like that there's stuff. There's another bunker in this territory. Hopefully it's accessible. I wonder what kind of stuff is inside there. Because so far each one has something unique. I like it. Oh, I see another mannequin. What the hell? Okay. So this is where the Soviet Union's been hiding. Don't know what the hell that is. Roch. Oh, this brings back memory. We could have enormous amounts of dust in that room. What the hell? Cuba? North Korea? What the fuck is this? This is an alliance I never thought I would witness. It's Bulgaria. This Germany thing, goddamn. This was the bunker friendship. This is where the Illuminati was holding meetings, apparently. Another Tesla. No idea. Amp or something. Oh shit.
Bulgaria. Spain. That's China.
Ah, Tesla toothpaste. Atari? Old CD drive. Huh, cool. Oh, this one's quite big. Huh. Brand new old gas masks. Nice. So each crate has the CM4 gas masks. Some kind of a wire repair thing. It's filled with new equipment. Filter. Shirts.
Bags. For the masks.
Oh, those little flashlights. My day. No way!
Still working.
It still works. Dude, that's sick. Oh shit. Yeah, this bunker is filled with equipment. Chemical suits. Oh, I use these in Ukraine. More suits. Belts. Sick. apart from the flags, in these rooms, it's genuine Cold War paranormal equipment. Sick. Okay, I think we have breathed in enough dust for the day. Need some fresh air. We're gonna dip out. There is another even bigger bunker. We're not sure if we're going to do it immediately. Do need a little break. But yeah, this one's sick. All of these are sick. Like I've seen stuff in these that I've never seen before. Yeah. How deep is that?
Like the same, like that one.
Okay.
Fuck.
What?
It's too much, like, screw it. Oh, look, this is...
Yeah. Yeah. So they barricaded the bunker from the inside. This hatch that we entered through as well isn't like somebody's private yard. So they weren't looking at it, but they have lights and stuff. Hopefully we're gonna make it out. But we cannot go any further. At least we tried.
Third time we will be successful in this one.
Yeah. This is the second time we visited this place, but we'll see, we'll come back. So we just decided to climb a random crane instead, and at least get a nice view for the evening.